Welcome to Play Ash where the fun never dies. Tunes and tales for all you cutie pies. Play Ash, play fun tales for every girl and boy. Play Ash, play sweet tunes that bring us joy.
In a lush jungle, there stood a tall sturdy tree high above the ground, where a little bird named Chirpy lived. Chirpy shared this cozy nest with his loving parents, Mama Bird and Papa Bird. They were very protective of him and never allowed him to leave the safety of their home. Mama Bird would often say, "The outside world is dangerous for little birds like you, Chirpy. You must stay inside until you are strong enough to fly." But Chirpy was a curious little bird, and from his nest he gazed at the beautiful sight of the jungle below, longing to explore the world beyond. One morning, after Mama Bird had left for work and Papa Bird was fast asleep, Chirpy felt a surge of curiosity and peeked outside. The sun was shining and the forest below looked so beautiful and inviting. As Chirpy admired the view, a sleek orange cat slinked through the bushes below. When the cat spotted Chirpy, her eyes widened and her mouth watered. Gazing up at sweet Chirpy, the cat thought to himself,
"How can I persuade him to come down?"
He observed Chirpy for a few minutes and noticed that the little bird is keenly gazing down at the jungle. Seeing that, the cat smiled in her heart.
Aha! He is intrigued by the jungle and must be eager to explore it. I'll tempt him to join me on an adventure to discover the jungle's beauty.
The clever cat moved forward and called out sweetly,
"Hello, little bird. Isn't the jungle beautiful? There are so many lovely places to explore. Pretty flowers, tall trees, and the most delicious fruits. Don't you want to come down and see?"
Chirpy hesitated.
I'm not allowed to go outside. Mama and Papa say it's dangerous.
The cat's eyes gleamed with mischief.
"Oh, but your papa is fast asleep. We can take a quick trip to the most beautiful garden in the world. It has colorful flowers with the sweetest smells. We'll be back before anyone notices."
Chirpy's heart filled with excitement, and he thought,
Just a quick peek won't hurt.
he fluttered down from the tree, and as soon as he was in reach, the cat pounced. She grabbed Chirpy in her mouth and started running away. Realizing the danger, Chirpy panicked and cried.
Help! Help!
Suddenly from the nearby trees, the sound of flapping wings filled the air. Chirpy's neighbors, other birds living in the trees, heard his cries and rushed to help. They darted at the cat, pecking and flapping their wings, chirping loudly. The noise woke Papa Bird, who flew to the scene in a flash. Shocked by the sudden attack, the cat dropped Chirpy and dashed away, disappearing into the jungle. Chirpy trembled, but he was safe. Papa Bird hugged Chirpy tightly and said,
"Oh, Chirpy, we told you it was dangerous outside. You must stay with us until you're ready to explore on your own."
The other birds nodded in agreement. "Always listen to your parents. You will be ready to explore one day," but until then, it's safest to go with them. One of the oldest birds chirped. Chirpy, feeling ashamed but grateful, looked up at his father and said,
I'm so sorry, Papa. I would have listened.
Papa Bird smiled gently.
We all make mistakes, Chirpy. The important thing is to learn from them.
With that, all the birds chirped joyfully, filling the forest with happy sounds. Chirpy was safe, surrounded by friends and family, and he knew from that day on he would always trust the ones who loved him most. The moral of the story is that always listen to your parents and be patient. There is a right time for everything.